Is Mexican food really healthy? You might be surprised by the answer. There's a common myth that Mexican food is always unhealthy, but that's a broad brush painting of a diverse cuisine. Mexican dishes come in all shapes and sizes, each with their own nutritional profiles. Yes, there are decadent, calorie-laden offerings, but there are also fresh, nutrient-rich options. Just like any other cuisine, it's not about labeling it as healthy or unhealthy, but understanding the choices you make within it. Let's move forward to compare the nutritional value of Mexican food with other cuisines. Comparing cuisines can be quite an adventure. So, how does Mexican food stack up against others? Let's dive right in. Mexican cuisine is known for its vibrant flavors, colorful presentation, and variety of ingredients. It is a cuisine that enjoys an abundance of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Think about the traditional Mexican salad, a whirl of tomatoes, onions, peppers, and avocado. It's a nutrient powerhouse, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Now let's put it in perspective. Consider Italian food, often characterized by pasta, cheese, and olive oil. Or Chinese cuisine with its emphasis on rice, noodles, and stir-fried vegetables. While these cuisines have their own health benefits, the frequent use of refined carbs and cooking methods can sometimes tip the scales. In Mexican cuisine, on the other hand, the use of fresh ingredients and traditional cooking methods often results in dishes that are high in nutritional value. A simple chicken taco, for instance, combines lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from avocado, and a good dose of fiber from the corn tortilla. However, like any cuisine, Mexican food can also be made unhealthy. It's all about the dishes you choose and how they are prepared. Deep-fried chimichangas or cheese-laden nachos may not be the healthiest choices, but a well-balanced chicken enchilada or a hearty pozole can be part of a nutritious diet. As we see, the nutritional value of Mexican food can hold its own against any cuisine, but it all comes down to the specific dishes and their preparation. So we've taken a tour through the world of Mexican cuisine, but what's the conclusion? Well, let's summarize our culinary journey. We've explored the vibrant flavors of Mexican food, delved into its rich history, and compared it with other global cuisines. We discovered that Mexican food, just as with any cuisine, faces the same health scrutiny. It's neither inherently healthy nor unhealthy. The key lies in the specific dishes you choose and how they're prepared. Tacos filled with lean meats, fresh salsas, and wholesome black beans? Absolutely a healthy choice. Deep-fried chimichangas smothered in cheese? Maybe not the best option if you're watching your waistline. It's all about balance, moderation, and making informed decisions. And let's not forget the health benefits of traditional Mexican ingredients like tomatoes, avocados, and chilies, which are packed with essential nutrients. Remember, it's not just about the cuisine, it's about the choices you make within that cuisine. Choose wisely, and Mexican food can certainly be a healthy and delicious part of your diet.